lishirika lya ubwanjetiria Getembe Television Network ama na Getembe FM nigo lyakoretero gukorera bwayo gucange na sore tutarere imiye nyombeli ya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani asebale ku Chinsa mu cya Kisii kugenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya MTla iliyo tunyara ko batogusangamo naye na gukinanya bune bisaku cyumugusi Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network Ekeonga cyamamugusi.
Wairabia mwanchumu ligerelia andonsi aso tutengerete charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabono magoroba amangana maya asenjira yobwenge Vanessa nyaboke kurugalia sensemo yebimanyerelyo na inchengo ko yaretera nigonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi nigotogo chakana roboti ruogo ichania kurugalia se county ya Nyamira asabanya nyimbo vegeta seniki ya Nyamira bachakirie obotuke kubatekana nege kole kyomusubati oyomo w'imyaka 25 aserieta Marion Kemunto nyagacho oyu obeireka gukora emirimo yaye ase nyumba yo kwegokya abwasatoke mambiye litukulia lero gasireti obugima bwaye ase nyumba yo kwegokya imanyikanite na Manchester egotoka ase chiro ya Kebirigo kulengana na bananchi abubaikirana ase Kebekyo nigo baba batwara amaboli amange akubwatukana na makwelia yo yobotutukanu ase batebiribuna nyagusira nigatoka kalegesubuno ase basabira serikali inyariko bagiye kwanguya obotuki eriko enekya ninki kya moireto musubati Marion kusiria obugima bwaye
umwana yo kuwa neko kiyango ena ikuni ni ntono sidire utokire Manchester ba ono na inje abantu bana kero bangiya nanje nana manana abantu bana kuza kumanya mara nama ene kene ke korete kire ni ko sira kuaye na ikweto na abu ese ko sinto kwe payo kire kire ko kama moja akaja kurara ase ya Manchester kwa sasa hapo nitapigia mkuu wangu simu kumwelezea nikikupigia disi yao simu disi wafanya haraka wakuja wameangalia mwili na wameanza uchunguzi wa kina hapo awali ndio kulikuwa lakini karibu 3 japata kitu nyeloza hapa kidogo imetulia ilikuwa inasumbua zamani ndio lakini tumeweka mikakati tumetuliza negongoro kwa bani sioli nongera seitokia bera ya somoswati ya ruete iko tu logo kumio kanana kara tu anyo somoswati ya kwete nanga ndo yo kumi somoswati ya to kile kara ile kare busa ende nalgo sabe serikali to konyo butukibure goromono eka somoswati ni gorajeta asa ruete osinga kiache te komoro oyo nyaka cyo kiambe nanje saitere nyakure secondary igo mwana uyo tali ngato mumanyeti nenjira tokotebe kunga aruete baya engawa agacha kurara abahiga bono ntumanyeti ke aliye sara iro murangu no muyurite kurube karo murangu ore kwasi igarege suguno igoni girusi yanga karara ko twete tutaka twere sugu maene abantu baisani maene ekaro mwana ligara ile bosuno umurango gore bwasi ndoma tingomo igorera ngosara chigeta akarari etege tokiaya bakateba arwarta karara tasiegeti igoto abana inchi wa mwana no tigato tegu mane bakebiro naki igara ile oetere nchirere igana igatomani gwe kane pa kumetu kuyore dina yamna ona tu aichana sana no ntu tu asike sasa tu Poligeria mama. Poligeria. Poligeria. Kama kembi. Kaweka sakiti yote. Kwanda kwa bana wetu baganye tabarage. Charo ante mfumo.
korre kendi yosi njana go tikirabu korre kendi yosi na jira seketi ne pa ya korne ya korre sakata ne ke karatu kana mwasawe na kusa aba sakata na mwamari teje kumete kebule goto
bwenete serikali bamo
ebyombe byabomo bw'abarai abasubati borogongo rwa Gusii nigo bono babeire bakorokia ogwichana kwabo kubwatekana nechinjira abasae babeire bagutumikwa kolenta chiburaburu anane ase misangerekano ya gesiasa ebikole bikagire gokiania wose komenta obwoba asa basubati wesokia asobonge elikoligie ebirogo bya gesiasa ukwana ase geikaro kyalengete kubaletamo abarai abasubati be county ya Kisii amone kaunti ya Nyamira ili gukwanira amangana abalengete amona abana baiseke abarayabo nigo babete bagwikirana okuigwana ase batebete mbachigo chamo eli kuligie birogo by'oburai asobochulyo bonene obubole bosyo.
Where a woman can show up and doesn't have to do 200% more than what the man does, in terms of a safe space where you are allowed to say your gender, where the security agencies are actually upping the security. We normally experience a lot of gender-based violence, just like I've said, both physical and also verbal and emotional. We are saying for women to be able to come out, they have to be sure that the space is really safe for them to come out.
As we are moving forward, the country, as we are seeing everything, yesterday night I saw something from the Governor Cecil. She was insisting, she was asking the president about the two-third gender rule. Where are our space as women in the country of Kenya?
The meeting today has been very informative, and like our theme from rights to action, we've learned today a lot, and we are emphasizing on menstrual health, and we've been told today that the 2010 Constitution says that guarantees every girl in school to be provided for with a sanitary pad.
The key take home for me is that we are supposed to empower our families first before they are able to support women. I therefore encourage everybody to empower their children, their spouses back at home, so that when leaders come out as women, we don't look them as women, we look at them as leaders.
Mulikyo botambe umusubati Mary Mthoni ase wizara yobochenu nigabiriga kwigirira eserikali na gotebabuna nigebegete mirobelyo yogukinia esekta yobochenu imeyense ya Kenya. Gukwana litkulia lero nigo musubati Mary Mthoni abereka gotebabuna imeyense ya Kenya nigo chiskuru cha KMTC chira chikomentwa eliko yanekibuna aboroki wabange nkwenyorera bali amabaga aso gosomera chikosi anene chirengete obochenu.
Ile ya muhimu imenilete hapa ni hii maneno ya KMTC. Mnataka KMTC? Mnataka KMTC? Katika nchi ya Kenya tuko na KMTCs 98 saa hii. 98 Kelly. 98 KMTCs. Na hii iko hapa, mimi nilikuwa napigiwa picha tu, naambiwa ona, watoto wametoka, sijui nini, nikasema siwezi nikakaa Nairobi. Kabla waziri wangu afike hapa 2 weeks to come, mimi mwenyewe amenituma nikuje nihakikishe ati KMTC tunaweza tukachukua watoto hata Septemba. Kwa sababu hawa watoto wenu wakimaliza shule wanahitaji kuendelea na tertiary education ama masomo ya hapo juu. Na niwaambie serikali ya William Samoei Ruto iko na mpango, kwa sababu kitu ingine tunafanya hawa watoto wakimaliza shule, sisi wenyewe tunafanya ile inaitwa labor mobility. Wanachukuliwa wanaenda wanafanya kazi huko mahospitali za majuu. Ama unataka mtoto wako ashinde akizunguka hapa Mutambua? Alafu utalesewa leso kama hii na nani? Si ndio? Sasa mtoto akisoma si aende huko juu? Ajione mambo mzuri.
Ekiombe kirigie kurigereria obukoreri ase chipara kia NTSA abanyanyimbo ba traffic amana ababwatani ba matatu nigo barireira yogochigo kora emirimo ase obwamo erio koimokiriria esekta yobosombi igoro aya nigachire amatuko make maiga yemebasukane menge kogendera koenekigwa ase chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya egento kiairire abakenya bange gosiria amagimabo ase bono amabolia mange agendrete koirwa ase chipara.
Sport in Kenya work well without any. It's not sustainable to borrow money at 20% interest rate and run a public transport. It's not sustainable, and I think that's one of the areas that we really need to make sure that this team are actually accessing right investment or rather source of financing to run public transport. The other area we may look at with them is the matters of insurance. There are a lot of fraud around insurance that are affecting them, and therefore their premiums are ever high. If you want to run a sustainable transport, these are the cost centers that you have to look at.
And we are in the process of procuring signposts that will have an inscription of a corruption-free zone and the toll-free numbers for members of the public who have witnessed police officers taking bribes along those public roads to give us online so that we act on them.
As an industry tunaangalia vile tutasonga mbele katika maneno ya IT na kuweza kuenda pande labda kuwezesha sisi kumove into the new digital era, ndio pande ya matatu tusiwe tumebaki nyuma.
Kubwatikana nechisegi echichigendete koenekigwa imeyense ya Iran amo na Ukraine ni gobono ababwatani au anene kurwa ase sekta ya uchumi imeyense abere bakorokyo bwobo bwabo igoro yamabe chisegi echo chirachikolenta anene ase uchumi yense ya Kenya. Ukwanekerekyo nigo batebire abange bamwabo abamenyete ase chinse cy'abarabu nigo banyorire ogwakwo konene kubwatikana nechisegi echo bakora unere omobiso monene Joseph B nigo batebire buna nigo uchumi erachigukina nonyene rigori ria mafuta kogenda egesara.
The current war that is in Iran is really going to have effect on the economy, given that we know that this is where oil is coming from. And also Bandari specifically, we have members in Saudi Arabia, we have members in Dubai. All those members is likely to slightly affect their income, which again will affect the income of the members. We know very well that even in the coming months or weeks, the price of oil is likely to go high. So our hope is that this thing can be dispensed with so very fast.
It can be done, just play your part. Everybody to play his part. In the first line of defense, supervisory team, hapo msilale tuangaliane. It might be your friend, it might be your brother, it might be your tribesman. But if he goes astray like this ship will sink.
Think about what has happened to the developed world. Think about what has happened to mature economies. You are now, remember I said, if you are Taiwan, we must also do Taiwan things. By aligning their products and services with these priorities, SACCOs can further strengthen their relevance and contribution to the economy. I really wish to congratulate you, the board, the management and members of the Badality SACCO for successfully reaching this 51st annual delegate meeting.
Amariganio yogochengera ritukuria madaraka imeyense ya Kenya elio lirabetarike mu mutinyi ogatano na limo ime ye county ya Wajir nigacha kirena nigo eserikali yalireira yogochikogendera kuagacha egeti ime ye county ya Wajir anigatebire egeti ekyo nigo kibwendrete koera oika ewiki ntangani yo mutinyi ogatano. Muliki mutangani ase wizara y'oburendi Dr. Raymond Omolo nigo abagakora ekomiti yo kwaligania amarigania yo ase okuligereria egeti ekyo na nigo atebiribuna egeti ekyo nigo gekagire guchikwera aso bwangomono na nigo kirachikubuguria abantu chiribu Ikomi.
We are currently at 10%. We expect that we will achieve completion or substantial completion by the first week of May of this year as we get ready for the Madaraka Day celebrations.
We'll be working together to ensure that we finish the project within the time we expected to finish. The airport is very important, and especially for that day, because we expect a lot of Kenyans to be here for Madaraka Day.
We will be working together with the two colleague PSs for the two other projects as Ministry of Defense, just to make sure that all these projects are moving together to deliver within the time that we have been given by the Commander-in-Chief.
Narayo kurwa semeza Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi omwanchumo ligereria kulendekero charagire Chinsa ibere chabano magoroba Aron ototo nyangiri na irane akoletere ase nchira yoboikirano tugwakere mbiamona ya bene ase ngencho kuligereria Getembe TV kulende ase kagetari egetambe no chikonyoro muroberio bwa maliganio esabato amanere Geoffrey Onsarigo igoto basa gusukale genda kutwara obuligereri borobya tobwatiranere Vanessa Nyaboke kurugaria ase bimanyererio DJ Adsan oenekiririo ginichi bicha bya gwikere na nchini gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Usie, vuno na